All right, guys, right now I'm going to show you a little sample strategy for trading Forex news. Now, this is obviously Forex pair EUR USD, and by look at the chart here, you can see that basically it's really not doing anything. It's just basically been consolidating. And at this point, let's pretend you set your alarm clock, you set an alert to watch any sort of news with this, and you know it's approaching in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. But you don't know where it's going to go. You don't know if it's going to go straight up or it's going to go straight down, right? That's what we don't know. But the key point here is that you could be here, you could be watching this, you could be 100% ready to take action to jump into this trade with a market order once you see the direction it's going. Okay, so with this type of trading, this would be considered more of a scalp trading because you don't know if it's just going to push up, right? Push up and then drop down, right? You don't know if it's going to drop down and then push up. So really, with a trade like this, right, when you're trading forex fundamental news upon based at the announcement, basically that's what you're doing. You're trading forex news, fundamental analysis as it releases. And when you do that, you really do want to scalp it. That's kind of like I said, when I took a big loss on Tesla puts, I basically was watching for when the market opened for Tesla just to drop. But she ended up pushing up, and then she pushed up for a while. Then she took a massive drop. But I didn't know where it was gonna go. I had to protect myself. So in this case, you know, trading like this, you guys know already that you could instantly jump in the trade. With options trading, you can't. With options trading, you cannot trade pre-market, but with the forex market, you could trade basically 24 hours around the clock. You could get in here, you can get in here, you can get in anywhere. So what you want to do is you want to basically wait for the news to come out and see which direction it's going, and then hurry up and jump in. So in this case, if this is we're doing a replay on this, and that you can see if we hit the play button, right? This is a 5-minute chart. We hit the play button, and you'll see that it should speed up here. You can see that what's about to happen is that this will eventually start to drop. And as she starts to drop, it basically means that there's news. There you go, right there. Boom. So, when you get this, when you start to see an area where it starts to like drop hard, obviously this is playing back, but in real time, you could watch this. As it dropped hard, we could have easily jumped in for a quick sell and make money on the way down and hurry up and just take that profit. And you could easily, guys, trades like this, you could easily capture $100 to $1,000 instantly. That's all it is. And this massive move was based off of news straight from the Forex factory. So that's a quick little strategy and a way to trade based off fundamental analysis, and forex news, just from a scalping standpoint. Now, again, you wouldn't want to try and hold this. You don't. Again, we don't know where it's going to go because you can see that she's easily pushing up here. Again, this is a 5-minute chart, guys. So, obviously, this replay action is going to be a lot different versus it happening in real time, because again, these are 5-minute candles and this is moving at obviously a faster, this is, I mean, technically by look at this, it's already been 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So this is 55 minutes right here, and you can see that we've only been talking for like 20, 30 seconds. So my point is, hopefully this is making sense for you guys. Hopefully it's clicking in your head, and you're like, holy fucking shit! Like that's a good idea. That makes sense to easily just watch the Forex Factory based on these upcoming news and events, and then at the same time you're ready. You got your finger on the trigger, right? Ready to pull, right, and shoot. Whether it goes up or it goes down, jump in real fast from a market order. Whether she drops, boom, you pay yourself, you take that profit. She pushes up, you pay yourself, you take that profit. Because again, guys, at any moment she can go the opposite direction, and then you're pissed that you didn't take the money. So hopefully this helps you guys. And again, with the whole course, I'm showing you guys everything. I'm teaching you everything. Hopefully you guys, apply this and you make lots and lots of money. And reach out to me if you ever have any questions, comments, or concerns. And let's continue on with this course.